Bootcamps used to be the fast track into tech. Now, they might be the fastest way to burn $15,000 and still end up Googling how to center a div. They promise job guarantees, six-figure salaries, and mentorship. But behind the scenes, it's often smoke, mirrors, and copy-pasted JavaScript. So let's break it down. Why most bootcamps in 2025 are setting you up to fail, and how to avoid getting played. Become a full-stack developer in 12 weeks. No experience needed. If that sounds too good to be true, it's because it is. These programs are optimized for signups, not success. High-pressure sales reps will tell you spots are limited, but somehow they always have one for you. And once you're in, the real learning begins, with 200 other students and one overworked instructor. Most bootcamps teach you just enough to build cookie-cutter apps, a to-do list, a weather app, maybe a clone of Twitter that doesn't work. But ask a grad to explain why their app works. Blank stare. You're sprinting through HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node, React, SQL in 90 days. That's not mastery, that's memory cramming. It's like binge watching a cooking show and thinking you're ready to open a restaurant. Instructors will walk you through the code line by line. You follow along, it runs, you feel smart. But try building something from scratch. Suddenly, it's Stack Overflow season. Boot camps often skip computer science fundamentals entirely. No data structures, no algorithms, no architecture. And employers can tell you might pass the coding challenge, but you'll break in a real dev environment. Guaranteed job or your money back. Sounds good, right? Until you read the fine print. You need to apply to 200 jobs a month, accept every interview, live in a specific city, and submit proof of your outreach daily. Miss one step and that guarantee vanishes like your tuition. These contracts are designed for the bootcamp to win, not for you to get hired. Yes, some bootcamp grads land great jobs, but those success stories, they're usually the people who already had some tech background, networked like crazy, or studied way beyond the curriculum. For every LinkedIn post bragging, "I got hired as a developer after bootcamp," there are 10 more still grinding on Upwork for $12 an hour. The survivors worked twice as hard after the bootcamp ended, because that's when the real grind starts. Bootcamps in 2025 aren't all scams, but most of them are selling shortcuts in a field that rewards patience and persistence. If you go in thinking it's a magic ticket, you're in for a rough ride. But if you treat it as a launchpad and supplement with real-world projects, CS fundamentals, and networking, you might just come out ahead. So, have you taken a bootcamp? Was it worth it? Drop your story in the comments. And if you want more no-fluff dev content, smash the like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell like it's your last LeetCode interview. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.